Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Measure propolis by weight and grind or chop into small pieces to increase surface area. Use 1 part propolis to 5 parts vegetable glycerin by weight for a concentrated extraction. Warm the glycerin to about 40 degrees C, 104 degrees F, briefly to lower viscosity, then combine with propolis in a sterilized jar. Seal tightly and store in a warm, dark place. Shake the jar daily for 2 to 4 weeks to encourage dissolution. After steeping, strain through cheesecloth and a fine mesh funnel, bottle and prepare a mild solvent of raw apple cider vinegar mixed with distilled water in a 3:2 ratio to balance acidity and extractionability. This reduces harshness compared to straight vinegar. Add propolis at the same 1 part to 5 part solvent ratio by weight, stirring gently and sealing the jar. Store in a dark cupboard and swirl every other day. Steep for 2 to 4 weeks to extract flavonoids and aromatic compounds. Finally, strain thoroughly. Taste and dilute as needed before transferring to labeled amber bottles for use. Decide on dosing based on concentration. A common guideline is 10 to 20 drops, about 0.5 to 1.0 ml, 1 to 3 times daily, adjusting downward for children or sensitive individuals. Store finished Propolis tincture in amber glass at room temperature, away from direct sunlight, and expect a shelf life up to 24 months for glycerin or vinegar preparations. Always test for sensitivity by applying 1 drop to the wrist and waiting 24 hours. Discontinue if irritation occurs and consult a healthcare professional for immune or pregnancy concerns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.